welcome back to our math class. Today we want to solve this interesting Olympiad question. Now we want to solve this question without using calculator. Here we have 2 to the power of 18 minus 1. Then how do we go about this? Very easy. Now rewriting 2 to the power of 18 is the same thing as saying 2 to the power of 9 squared. Don't forget the rule of indices that says a to the power of b c is the same thing as what? A to the power of b multiplied by c. So that's what I use there, minus 1. Then I'm going to use what is known as the difference of two squares. Now, using the difference of two squares, the rule says that when you have a plus b, a minus b, this is the same thing as a squared minus b squared. Okay? So using the same rule here is like you having 1 squared. So it's going to be a plus b, which is 2 to the power of 9 plus 1, 2 to the power of 9 minus 1. So it's very easy to know 2 to the power of 9. So 2 to the power of 9 is the same thing as 512 plus 1, 512 minus 1. Okay? Now, 512 plus 1 gives 513 multiplied by 511. So instead of multiplying this outrightly, let's break it down because we are expected not to use the calculator. So 513 is the same thing as saying 500 plus 13, 500 plus 11. Okay, so now let's factorize. This multiplying this is going to give me 500 multiplied by 500. This multiplying this plus 500 multiplied by 11 plus 13 multiplying this, 500 multiplied by 13, 13 multiplying 11 plus 13 times 11. 500 multiplied by 500 is just like 5 times 5 gives 25. We are having 4 zeros left. Plus 500 multiplied by 11 is very easy because 500 is half of 1,000. So 1,000 multiplied by 11 is what? 11,000. Half of it is going to be what? 5,500. 500 multiplied by 13 is like you having 500 multiplied by 13 is like 13 times 1,000 is 13,000. Half of 13,000 is what? 6,500. Plus 13 times 11 gives what? 143. So 2,500,000. 5,500 plus 6,500 gives 12,000 plus 143. So to add this together, you can just come down here a little arithmetic by saying 12,143. So finally, I'm going to get 262,143. So without using calculator, this is how to solve it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.